This is the DW89. It's a standalone Android smartwatch phone. That means you can put a SIM card in the side and use it as a full-on Android watch. You've got all kinds of controls here. You have all your different apps showing up as well. And if you install something called Organized Drawer, it's easy to put all your apps, the stock ones as well as your downloaded ones, in alphabetical order inside the watch. This watch, very similar to the DW88 that we already reviewed, has a little camera in it in the back. That's the major difference. When you tap it, you can open it up. You got a real camera there, not a high resolution one, but you can take pictures and videos with this one. In addition to that, you've got a heart rate monitor right here. That turns on the green diodes on the back, and when you have this puppy on, it's going to actually measure your heart rate. You got the time on the watch as well, and you've got the last reading down at the bottom and how long ago you took it. Nice big bright digits too. It comes with orange or black bands on this one and a special dock for power connection. It's a simple Android smartwatch filled with lots of different watch faces. It's called the DW89 with camera Ultra. Check it out.